हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल एम एट एजुकेशन। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर 6 टेस्ट एंड मेजरमेंट इन स्पोर्ट्स की। हमें पता है कि हमें पास में कुछ ही फ्यू आवर्स हमारे पास में पेपर के लिए बाकी है। उसके लिए चलिए जल्दी से हम क्वेश्चंस को सोल्व करते हैं। ईयर वाइज वी स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट वी हैड a 2015 क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्लेन दी हार्वर्ड चैप्टर। सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हार्वर्ड चैप्टर किसके लिए होता है। हार्वर्ड चैप्टर इज बेसिकली फॉर टू चेक योर aerobic fitness. This is 1 mark question. Now 1 mark question is converted into the MCQ portion. Next question number 2 is calculate the physical fitness index using short term formula for a 12-year-old boy having completed Howard chapter duration for 3 minutes and the pulse rate of 54 beat for 1 to 1.5 minutes. This question is similar of the Howard chapters. What we do in that, we use the short term formula. The formula of the Howard chapters is 100 into test duration in second upon 5.5 into the pulse given. See 100, that is we have to put in the formula, and test duration. Test duration means 3 minutes. It becomes the 180 second, 5.5, and the pulse rate is given in the 54. This is our equation. With the help of this we can find out the Howard chapter formula. Next one is, your grandmother feels that she has reduced her upper body flexibility. Directly we move to the question, which test would you suggest to her? For checking the upper body flexibility, we have the back stretch test. Next one is question number 4, question of 2016. What test would you suggest for senior secondary student to measure cardiovascular fitness? 1 mark question directly straightforward question यहाँ पे पूछा गया है कि सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कौन सा टेस्ट हम परफॉर्म करेंगे। फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव द साई टेस्ट, इन साई टेस्ट फॉर कार्डियोवास्कुलर और फॉर एंड्योरेंस वी हैव द 600 मीटर रन टेस्ट. What test would you suggest to measure upper body strength for the age population? Age population means senior citizen, and senior citizen test we check with the help of the Rickley and Jones test. Rickley and Jones test. And we have to check upper body strength. For this we have the arm curl test. In arm curl test we use the dumbbell. The weight of the dumbbell for men is 8 pound, and for women it is 5 pound. Question number 6. What motor quality does a senior citizen lack who find difficulty in tying the shoes laces while sitting on a chair? This test reference for the chair sit and reach test. We have to check chair, sit and reach. Question number 7. Write a detailed note on a Howard step test. Howard step test is basically for check your aerobic fitness. In this we use the two formulas, short term formula and the long term formula. Explain the Rockport test. Rockport test is also for check your cardiovascular fitness. In this we use to run 1.5 mile. This test is also known as 1.5 mile test, and this test is not the part of the our syllabus now. Question number 9. Explain the 8 feet up and go test for measuring agility and the dynamic balance. 8 feet up and go is basically for to check your agility level and your speed and the balance of a senior citizen. With the help of 8 feet test and go, you can easily mention their procedure and their purpose and what we do this test. Next is what the formula for computation of the fitness index. Same question, this is about the Howard test. Now you understand this Howard test formula is very important because this question is asked in the many times. What the formula for Howard test, like 100 into test duration, 100 into test duration upon 5.5 into pulse count. With the help of this formula we can find out the fitness index of the person. Next is, what are the components of Rickley and Jones test? Explain the purpose and the procedure of any one test. With the help of SAFE, you can easily remember all the tests. For strength, we have the two tests, arm curl test and chair stand test. This is for upper body, this is for lower body. Then we have the flexibility. Flexibility is also in the two parts. First we check the upper body flexibility, then we check the lower body flexibility. Then we have the agility test with the help of 8 feet up and go. And last one is for endurance. We have the 6 minute walk test. So these all tests are for the Rickley and Jones. Out of this, you can explain any one test. Now, from 2020, we have the MCQ portion. Sit and this test is conducted for the flexibility. Barrow fitness test does not include. So we this medicine ball, zigzag run, standing broad jump are the part of the Barrow fitness test. Out of this, 600-meter is not the part of the Barrow fitness test. Rockport test is not the part of our syllabus, but we do. This is in the MCQ part. Rockport test. The purpose of this is to conduct or check your aerobic fitness or cardiovascular fitness. Same question is repeat. Howard step test. So you must know this question. Again, I repeat. This question is very highly important. So in this, you can write it down. The purpose of this test, and this test is given by the Broha or developed by the Broha in the year 1943. Next question is list down the items of Rickley and Jones test. So for that you can learn the safe. The safe technique is you can also use the Rickley and Jones, and same is used you have to use in the site test. Out of this you can explain any one. Move to the next question. Which test is conducted to measure the agility? For that the answer is 4 into 10 shuttle run is the test. So by the help of this we can easily find out the agility of the person. Question number 18, you have to identify the component. This chest is for senior citizen. This is also for senior citizen chair and sit and reach. This is also chest and test is for the senior citizen. This one is the broad jump. So this is not the part of the senior citizen, means option 2 is the correct one. So means B option. What will the distance between the chair and the marker cone to measure agility and the coordination of senior citizens shown in the figure? So picture is not given, so you can easily recommend that, or you can check, or you can find the answers. We talking about the chair and the marker, and this test is for the agility. So we know that 8 feet up and go test. So what we call 8 feet. So directly you can answer of the question. Question number 20. In residential area, the camp was organized. Functional fitness test. We know that Rickley and Jones test is also known as Fullerton functional test. So the issue is about the less range of motion in the upper body. So which test we have to check after this? So for checking the upper body flexibility, we have the back scratch or back stretch test. So option number third, so means C is the correct option. Massive following we can directly do. This is for upper body flexibility. Lower body flexibility partial curl up is for abdominal strength. This one is the upper body strength, and this one is for your lower body strength. So option A is the correct one. Question number 22. Identify the test. So this test or this picture is referred to the Rickley and Jones test, and in which the 50-yard area is marked. So this one is 6-minute walk test. So suppose senior citizen doing the test, and out of this the person is moving the round and round. So in 6 minutes how many rounds are taken? So that we have to count, and with the help of this we can find out the person's aerobic fitness of the senior citizen. Next one is Howard step test. Why we conduct the Howard step test? For check your cardiovascular fitness. And next question is what will the fitness index score of a girl if the test duration of 300 seconds is a maximum 300 सेकंड. जब भी हावर्ड स्टेप्स परफॉर्म करेंगे तो मैक्सिमम काउंट इज ऑफ 5 मिनट की हम मैक्सिमम जो हम काउंट करेंगे तो मैक्सिमम ड्यूरेशन रहेगा कितना रहेगा 5 मिनट्स रहेगा 5 मिनट रहेगा. और ये हमारे पास में डेटा कुछ भी यहाँ पे चेंज हो सकता है. तो फॉर्मूले के अंदर हम इस क्या करेंगे वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे और हमारा जो आंसर होगा क्या होगा 68.1. अब क्या होगा 100 इंटू 300 सेकेंड जो हमारे पास में गिवन है 5.5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 80 से जो हमारे पास में गिवन होगा. हमारी इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी 30,000 अपॉन 5.5 इंटू 80. इसको अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे हमारे पास में आंसर होगा 68.1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. सो दिस टेस्ट डेवलप बाय द ब्रोहा हावर्ड स्टेप टेस्ट. यहाँ पे दो एमसीक्यू आपको मिल रहे हैं कि हावर्ड स्टेप टेस्ट ने किसने डेवलप किया. ब्रोहा ने कब किया इन द ईयर 1943. सो जब हम लॉन्ग टर्म की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो हमारे पास में कितने टाइम्स हम करेंगे, लॉन्ग टर्म में हम कितनी रीडिंग लेंगे, 3 रीडिंग, शॉर्ट टर्म में 1 रीडिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच टेस्ट इज डेवलप टू फिटनेस इन सीनियर सिटीजन। सो सीनियर सिटीजन किसके हेल्प से हम करते हैं, रेकली एंड जॉन्स फिटनेस टेस्ट और रेकली एंड जॉन्स सीनियर सिटीजन फिटनेस टेस्ट। Which test is used to functional ability among the senior citizen? Again, we're talking about this senior citizen means Rickley and Jones test. For the duration of the ARMCAL test in senior citizen, when we are conducting the ARMCAL test, so the duration of the ARMCAL test is 30 seconds. In that, we have to count out how many curl ups are done in 30 seconds. Odd one out. 29. This test is for Rickley and Jones senior citizen. This is Rickley and Jones senior citizen. Senior citizen. This one is Howard Schefter. So means this is the odd one out. So figure number 4 is not the part of Rickley and Jones. This one is odd one. Question number 30. One person, the engineer in the construction company. So after retirement, he settled with his son, spent time with his children. Nowadays, he experienced difficulty in doing certain chores which involve physical movement. So the picture is given. So you have to identify this picture is for which purpose. So this picture is for 8 feet up and go test. So with the help of 8 feet up and go, we check out the person's agility and the balance. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 रॉकपोर्ट टेस्ट। सो रॉकपोर्ट टेस्ट के अंदर जब हम एक वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो जेंडर वैल्यू हम जो पुट करते हैं मैन के लिए वो हमारे पास में कितना होगा, 1 होगा। सो अगेन आई रिपीट दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ आवर सिलेबस बट वी स्टिल वी डू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 which of the following tests is conducted to measure cardiovascular fitness? So with the help of Rockport 1 mile test and with the help of Howard step test, we find out the person's cardiovascular or aerobic fitness. Why we conduct the Rockport test? The purpose of Rockport test is to conduct or check your VO2 max capacity. 34. Minimum number of steps to be done in 1 minute for 5 minutes as shown in the figure. When we doing the Howard step test, so in 1 minute, minimum steps that we require that is 30 steps. It means in 2 seconds we have to complete one step. Question number 34 in 50 meter standing start of motor fitness test, time is taken to nearest, किसके nearest हम कंडक्ट करेंगे, 10th सेकंड के nearest हम वैल्यू हम क्या करेंगे इसके अंदर हम पुट करते हैं. So this test, so one question may be asked in picture based like from chapter number 6 in test management कि आपको एक picture given होगा, out of this you have to identify. So kind of this question may be asked कि एक picture आपको given होगा, so एक picture किसका होगा जहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, स्टैंडिंग स्टार्ट ले रहे हैं. सो किसका होगा, 50 मीटर स्टैंडिंग स्टार्ट, क्योंकि 10 मीटर हम क्या करते हैं, शटल रन करते हैं. यहाँ पे एक लाइन ऐड होगा. स्टैंडिंग ब्रॉड जंप एक जगह से हम जंप करेंगे 1 by 1. 600 मीटर हम किस पे करते हैं, ट्रैक पे करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 the aim of physical activity during 5 to 16 and muscular fitness, bone health, cardiovascular years of age group is improve cardiorespiratory to reduce symptoms of anxiety dissipation. Now this is the question, rate at which activities perform is known as, कि एक रेट के ऊपर जो हम क्या करते हैं कि एक वर्कआउट करते हैं, एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, दिस इज नोन एज द इंटेंसिटी. नेक्स्ट इज मैच द फॉलोइंग. प्ले टैपिंग टेस्ट इज फॉर स्पीड एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन. पुश अप इज फॉर the upper body strength of the boys, partial color for the abdominal strength, modified push up for the girl. So this is your answer. Next one is write down the objective and addition of the flamingo balance test. Flamingo balance test is the part of the psi test in the primary category. In primary category we have 3 tests: play tapping test, flamingo balance test and the BMI. In the category of 5 to 8 years we have to find out their agility. So flamingo balance test is for to check the static balance of a kid. Static balance of a kid between 5 to 8 years category. Next one is explain the procedure and the scoring of 600 meter run and walk. This is also the part of the psi test secondary category or the senior category. द सीनियर कैटेगरी वी टॉक अबाउट द 9 to 18 ईयर्स कि हम उनका किस तरह से कनेक्ट करेंगे। सो 600 मीटर रन करने के लिए सबसे पहले उसका जो पर्पस होगा वो क्या होना चाहिए, दैट इज फॉर check your aerobic fitness or cardiovascular fitness, what we required equipment required, that is हमारे पास में 600 मीटर रन और 400 मीटर और 200 मीटर रन का हमारे पास में क्या होना चाहिए, ट्रैक होना चाहिए, स्टॉप वॉच होना चाहिए एंड विजुअल्स एंड नोट करने के लिए रिकॉर्ड पैड होना चाहिए। क्वेश्चन ऑफ 2023 सीनियर सिटीजन फिटनेस टेस्ट द रेंज ऑफ एज ग्रुप इज, जो टेस्ट हम कंडक्ट करते हैं रिकली एंड जोन्स टेस्ट, द एज क्राइटेरिया दैट इज गिवन दैट इज 60 to 94 in the Rickley and Jones. Question number 42 is part of the CITES and we're talking about the 9 to 18 age group. So explain the procedure and the scoring of 50 meter and the partial curl up कि हम 50 मीटर कैसे कंडक्ट करेंगे, partial curl up कैसे कंडक्ट करेंगे, उसका जो प्रोसीजर होगा in steps you have to write it down. So always remember that when you're writing anything, so it should be in the points. So if you write in the points, it will enhance or increase your marks. Now the last year question of 2024, the BMI, इसके अंदर हम बात करें नॉर्मल बेस नॉर्मल कैटेगरी की। सो इन द बीएमआई द नॉर्मल कैटेगरी इज बिटवीन 18.5 to 24.9. इट मींस कि अगर किसी पर्सन का बीएमआई 18.5 से 24.9 के बीच में होगा, दैट इज कंसिडर एज द नॉर्मल कैटेगरी। दिस कैटेगरी इज द ओवरवेट, this is obesity class 1, this obesity class 2. This is highly important. Last time many students are wrong this question. In partial curl up the difference between two parallel line, so जब हम partial curl up करेंगे, जो हम दो parallel line हम ड्रॉ करते हैं, किसी टीचर ने बताया नहीं होगा लेकिन फिर भी हम वहां पे दो लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, उसका जो डिफरेंस होना चाहिए कितना होना चाहिए, 6 inches. This one is which functional fitness component of senior citizen determine the test shown below. So we can easily identify now because हमने already questions कर लिए कि impact कहाँ पे होगा, यहाँ पे हम क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे stretch हो रहा है, means lower body flexibility. So with the help of this test we find out the person's lower body flexibility. A session region question. The BMR is the number of calories needed to maintain body function in resting condition. Yes, this statement is true. A person who does not engage in any work still require energy for the function of the internal organ. Both statements are true, but not the part of the each other. So option number B is the correct one. 4 item of Johnson-Matheny test motor edibility. So this is the new topic in our syllabus. So in Johnson-Matheny test there are 4 batteries like front roll, back roll, jumping half turn and jumping full turn. So these are the 4 batteries of the Johnson-Matheny test. Last year this question asked in the 2 marks, you have to just write the 4 words, but maybe the highly chances that this year the question is asked in the 5 mark. In that you have to write it down the complete procedure along with the picture. Question number 48, again the Howard chapters. In this only calculation is asked. So first you have to write down the formula, but the formula for that and the question about the short term formula, 100 into test duration in second upon 5.5 into pulse count in 1 to 1.5 minute. So 100 test duration 100 into 275 upon 5.5 into 100. So 100 से 100 कट जाएगा. So हम क्या करेंगे, 275 को 5.5 से डिवाइड करेंगे and this is our answer. So these are the question for 2024. So I hope you like this video, and from my side the best of wishes to you, best of luck to you. Give your exam with full confidence and rock the physical education paper. So thank you so much and keep support physical education.